Can you show us your tooth that's coming in? You have one tooth coming to the top. Go say ah. Say ah. Say ah. Let's see. Ah. Good. Let's see your tooth. It's right here. Say ah. Show everybody how. Ooh. Let's see. Ah. Your upper left is coming in. You say, I don't feel very good. I got a tooth coming in. Yeah, tell everybody. I don't feel very good because I have a tooth that's coming in. It hurts. You show me tooth. Say ah. Say ah. Ah. Let's see if we can get in close. Look at that tooth. Extreme close-up of the baby. Let's see that tooth. Ooh. Stop it, Mommy. Can you see the tooth? Oh, just a little bit. It's coming in right here. It's not quite broken yet, but it's coming. It's coming, huh? Should we get a toothbrush for your one tooth? And you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. What do you think? What do you think? You say check back in a couple weeks and I might have something to show ya. Nah. 2 pairs of pants. Nah. Nah. Okay. One more time. Should we try to look for that tooth? Can we see the tooth? Let's see. Ah. Okay, I'll take that as a no. Clean up on aisle 2.